There are many ways in which we can reduce salt in cabbage curry depending on the type of curry prepared. For example, if it is a plain cabbage curry, then cook some extra moong dal or tur dal, and you can add this, close it and allow it to cook along with the original cabbage curry. After some time, taste for the salt. Next, if it is a mixed vegetable curry using potatoes and tomatoes and other vegetables, you can always try adding 1 or 2 teaspoons of vinegar or lemon juice and a little bit of sugar. After adding this and cooking it together, you will find that the extra salt in the cabbage curry is got adjusted. Next, you can cut some more cabbage, add this extra cabbage to the original cabbage curry prepared, mix it well and cook it on slow fire along with half a teaspoon of sugar. When it is finally cooked, you'll find that the extra salt is got adjusted.